In this video, I'll guide you through how to track sales and purchases for a product or service in Wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for your side hustle, understanding your sales and purchases is crucial for maintaining healthy financial records. Wave accounting offers a straightforward way to keep tabs on these transactions, and today I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's dive into the Wave accounting interface. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu there. From this menu, you want to click on the section labeled Reports. This area is your gateway to all the detailed insights about your financial activities, and it's where we'll find the specific report we need. Once you're in the Reports section, scroll through until you find the Detailed Reporting section. Under this, there's an option called Account Transactions, also known as the General Ledger. Go ahead and select that. This report will give you a comprehensive view of all transactions associated with your accounts, but we'll tailor it to focus specifically on the sales and purchases you're interested in. Now, at the top of the General Ledger interface, you'll notice an Account drop-down filter. This is a powerful tool that allows you to zero in on specific accounts. Click on this drop-down, and you'll be presented with a list of all your accounts. If you're looking to track how much you've sold, select your custom income account. This will let you review your total gross sales performance. On the other hand, if you're more interested in seeing the total cost related to purchasing or fulfilling your product or service, you'll want to select your custom expense account instead. Once you've selected the appropriate account, the next step is to adjust the date range. This is important because it allows you to view transactions within a specific time frame, helping you analyze trends over days, weeks, months, or even years. Simply set the date range that aligns with the period you're reviewing. Perhaps you want to look at the last month's sales, or maybe you're interested in the entire year's purchases. Whatever your need, adjusting this range will tailor the report to suit it. After you've set your date range, click on the Update Report button. This will refresh the information displayed, so you'll see a tailored report that reflects your chosen account and time period. What you have now is a clear, concise view of your sales or purchase transactions, depending on the account you selected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully tracked sales and purchases for a product or service in Wave accounting. This process not only helps in monitoring your business's financial health, but also aids in making informed decisions based on accurate data. Remember, keeping a close eye on these transactions is key to understanding where your business stands financially and planning for future growth. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy accounting!